on, boy. Go on. And yeah. Guys, and welcome to the show. Hello? Yes. Yes. Yeah. Well, I'm kind of busy right now. No, I know. Listen, I have to go. I'm trying to film a video. Of course. I mean, it would be nice. But listen, I have to go. I'm doing a video. Jesus, where did I put my pen? Where's my pen? Straight. Okay, that's better. Yeah. Right, what are we doing today? Right, what music are we gonna have? I want something a little bit more relaxed. I'm kind of busy right now. I realize that. No. Okay. Ciao. Okay, right. Let's do this video. Are we recording? We're recording. Yes. Okay, let's do this. Okay, hi guys, and welcome to blah blah blah. I haven't got my notes ready, and I don't know what I'm doing. I need an assistant. I want people behind the camera that I can scream at and get my stuff together. Where's my notes? Where are my notes? I lost my pen. Now I can't find my notes. Where are my notes? This jazz is it's rebellious hair. Jesus. Anyway, I don't care. I'm gonna get on with this. Okay, hi guys, and welcome to the show. Jesus. Can someone bring me? Can someone bring me Piña Colada? Jeez, I got hiccups now. I got hiccups. Oh, Jesus. I ate breakfast too quick, you know, because I'm always in a rush, and I ate breakfast too quick. Okay, let's get on with it. Okay, hi guys, and welcome to the show, and today we're going to be doing another viewer. What are we doing today? Why do I not know what we're doing today? Jesus. Okay, alright. Take two. Alright, let's do this. Okay, hi guys, and welcome to the show, and today we're going to be doing another viewer collection email. That viewer email? What does that mean? Oh, I still got hiccups. Alright. Oh, Jesus. Alright, I need to get some water. Alright. Jesus.